Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Microsoft 365 Link, the first cloud mini PC with Intel CPU and price around approximately 349 US dollars. So friend, the Windows 365 Cloud, it's aimed to enterprise customer, non-consumer and user will find an Intel CPU, 8 GB RAM and 64 GB storage. The company has not named the Intel CPU powering the system, not specify the type of memory or storage used, and the CPU may be low-end version and even not equipped with NPU. And however, since the device is always connected to the cloud, and AI capability will be streamed directly to it. And the mini PC equipped with DisplayPort and HDMI, and it also supports Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3 and an access of 3 USB Type-A port, 1 USB Type-C port and Ethernet. And the dimension of PC reveal it is quite small, measuring only 120 into 120 into 30 mm and through not a compact as an Intel original NUC 4 into 4 inch design. And however, the 365 Link is not strictly a streaming device, instead a rely on web-based apps, and while the hardware handle data transmission, display and login. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.